Imagine being told that your job is safe, only to discover that the very thing you're working with is slowly killing you. A reality faced by hundreds of women known as the Radium Girls. In the early 20th century, women in factories across the United States were employed to paint watch dials with a special luminous paint containing radium. They were told it was harmless, but the truth was far more sinister. The paint, made from powdered radium, zinc sulfide, gum arabic, and water, was not only deadly but also led to severe health issues. The women, mostly in their teens and early 20s, were instructed to point their brushes with their lips, thereby ingesting small amounts of radium daily. The United States Radium Corporation, one of the main employers of these women, was aware of the dangers of radium but chose to ignore them. They even went so far as to claim that the radium was safe and that any health issues the women experienced were due to other causes, such as syphilis. This was a deliberate attempt to smear the reputations of the women and avoid taking responsibility for their actions. As the years passed, more and more women began to fall ill, suffering from severe health issues such as anemia, bone fractures, and necrosis of the jaw, a condition that would come to be known as radium jaw. Despite their suffering, the women were met with resistance and denial from their employers, who refused to acknowledge the true cause of their illnesses. One of the earliest and most significant cases was that of Catherine Donahue, who worked at the Radium Dial Company in Ottawa, Illinois. Her story, along with those of other women, would eventually lead to changes in labor laws and safety standards. Donahue's case was particularly notable as it highlighted the company's negligence and lack of concern for the women's health. The Radium Girls, as they came to be known, fought tirelessly for justice, taking their cases to court and demanding compensation for their suffering. Their bravery and determination would pave the way for future generations of workers, ensuring that their struggles would not be in vain. The women's fight for justice was not just about their own health and well-being, but also about the rights of all workers to a safe working environment. In 1928, 5 of the Radium Girls, including Grace Fryer, Edna Hussman, Catherine Schaub, Quinta McDonald, and Albina Larice, sued the United States Radium Corporation for their role in their illnesses. The case was eventually settled out of court, with each woman receiving a significant amount of money and a lifetime annuity. However, the settlement was bittersweet, as many of the women had already suffered irreparable damage to their health. The story of the Radium Girls is a powerful reminder of the importance of worker safety and the need for corporations to be held accountable for their actions. It is a testament to the strength and resilience of women who fought against overwhelming odds to bring about change. Their legacy continues to inspire and educate people to this day, serving as a warning about the dangers of unchecked corporate power and the importance of protecting workers' rights. The Radium Girls saga also led to significant advances in the field of health physics, with the establishment of tolerance levels for radium and the development of safety protocols for handling radioactive materials. The National Bureau of Standards played a crucial role in this process, working to establish safe limits for radium exposure and providing guidance for industries that worked with radioactive materials. In the years that followed, the Radium Girls story was largely forgotten, but their legacy lived on. In the 1960s, radium paint was finally banned, and safety standards for workers were improved. The last factory manufacturing radium paint shut down in 1978, marking the end of an era. However, the impact of the Radium Girls story continues to be felt, with their case serving as a catalyst for changes in labor laws and safety standards. Today, the Radium Girls are remembered as heroes, their bravery and determination inspiring generations of workers and activists. Their story serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of standing up for what is right, even in the face of overwhelming opposition. The Radium Girls' legacy is a testament to the human spirit and its capacity for resilience and courage in the face of adversity. Mabel Williams, one of the last surviving Radium Girls, lived to be 104 years old, a testament to the strength and resilience of these women. Her story, along with those of the other Radium Girls, will continue to inspire and educate people for generations to come, serving as a reminder of the importance of protecting workers' rights and ensuring a safe working environment. The Radium Girls story has also been immortalized in a 2018 film, directed by Lydia Dean Pilcher and Ginny Moeller, which tells the story of their struggles and triumphs. The film serves as a powerful tribute to the women who fought for justice and paved the way for future generations of workers. The Radium Girls' legacy continues to inspire and educate people, ensuring that their story will never be forgotten. As we reflect on the story of the Radium Girls, we are reminded of the importance of protecting workers' rights and ensuring a safe working environment. Their legacy serves as a powerful reminder of the need for corporations to be held accountable for their actions and for workers to be treated with dignity and respect. The Radium Girls' story is a testament to the human spirit and its capacity for resilience and courage in the face of adversity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories that uncover the truth and inspire change.